Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm doing an episode on a game called PixelPiracy. You've probably heard of it before. If you haven't, I used to play it, I did stop playing it. It's a game where like you're a pirate, you can build your own pirate ship, get crew. Oh, this guy's talking to this.
Land ho!
I guess you can talk to other people. They used to like move the screen around and things like this is your ship at the moment that you get. You need food to Okay, let's see this. What now?
Ahoy there!
Oh, let's do this.
Ahoy there! Walk the plank.
Hold C down. Little.
Arrgh.
Oh yeah, what's this actually?
Arrgh.
How much money have we got? 7 gold. You should be able to see that bottom right. Animals, pets. Okay. He was a troll, he was a dustman. He was a pirate. Let's hire this guy who was a pirate. Let's move everyone over to move him. Is he on that pirate? We just hire the guy, didn't we, guys? That's what I need to do. I need to go intelligent. Oh yeah, I guess I don't have anything to do something. Yep. What's my other guy? What's my other guy? It should say like,
Land ho!
I'm sorry if I'm really bad at this, I'm basic.
Ahoy there!
I hired him from here. Oh, this is so simple. Let's see what he looks like. He looks...
Land ho!
What?
Land ho! Ahoy there!
Yeah, he is. I found him.
Walk the plank. Avast, ye scallywags! Shiver me timbers! Ahoy there! Walk the plank.
Oh, no, that's just... Have a look at him. Oh, that's not good for you. Okay, wait. Pirate.
Land ho!
Captain and crew controls. There we go.
Ahoy there! Ahoy there! Land ho!
One. So let's just head to our ship. So when we get on our ship, I'm gonna end the episode, and then we can start doing like our adventure stuff. So I'm gonna end it here, guys, and then we can start our adventure in the next episode. See ya.